Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Supabase Postgres for mobile data syncing easy to begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Supabase website. Create an account or log into your existing account. After logging in, click on the New Project button. Fill in the necessary details for your project, such as name and database password. Select the appropriate region for your project. Click Create Project to initiate the setup process. Wait for Supabase to provision your new database. Once your project is ready, click on the project to enter the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on the Database tab. Locate and copy the connection string provided in the settings. Now, open your mobile development environment. Depending on your framework, such as Flutter or React Native, set up the Supabase library. Install the Supabase client by running the relevant install command. Once the installation is complete, import the Supabase. Initialize the Supabase client using the connection string you copied earlier. Ensure you are connected to the internet for this step. Create a new table in Supabase for storing your mobile data. Go back to the dashboard and click on the Table Editor. Click New Table and define the columns as per your data requirements. After setting up the table, return to your mobile project. Write functions to handle data retrieval, insertion, and deletion. Ensure you are using asynchronous functions for smooth data handling. Test the database connection by running your mobile app. Perform operations like adding, updating, or deleting data. Monitor the Supabase dashboard to verify the data sync in real time. Handle offline scenarios by implementing local storage solutions. Use libraries like Redux or MobX for state management if needed. Make sure to incorporate error handling in your code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.